Do you see this? Take a closer look. और ध्यान से देखिए. So, don't be anybody's money mule. What is it and what does it mean? Well, hi there. Now, did you know that scammers can use your bank account to commit crimes without even realizing it? Sounds scary, right? Today, we're going to talk about a dangerous crime involving something called a money mule. And we'll also share simple steps on how you can protect yourself and your account from these scams. ऑनलाइन काफी धोखा हो रहा है और मनी म्यूल लेटेस्ट धोखा है जिससे कि आपके पैसे जा सकते हैं. So what exactly is money mule? Simply put, a money mule is someone who is tricked or coerced into transferring stolen money or illegal funds to another person or a group, often in exchange for a small fee. You might not even know you're part of a crime, but if you're moving money from criminals, you can get in serious trouble. Scammers love using money mules for all kinds of illegal activities. They might approach you with a job offer, claiming that you'll be making easy money by helping them transfer funds. Or they might offer you a too good to be true investment opportunity or ask you to help them with a fake charity. The idea is to make you believe you are just helping out, but you are actually involved in moving money that was stolen or obtained fraudulently. Now, there are many ways scammers operate. Here are some of the most common types of money mule scams you should watch out for. The first one, fake job offers. You might get a message or email claiming you are hired for an online job. You're promised a high salary and are told that part of your job is to receive payments and forward them to someone else. But it's all a scam. Second is the prize or a lottery one. Yes, the scams that you receive an email saying you won a lottery prize, but before you can collect your prize, you're told that you need to pay a processing fee or transfer money to cover taxes. Once you pay the price, it never arrives. Romance scams. Now, in this scam, someone builds a relationship with you online, claiming to be in love with you. After a while, they say they need money for an emergency and ask you to transfer it to them. This money usually ends up in the hands of the criminals. ये दिल टूटा और वो गया पैसा. सब उड़ जाएंगे होश. Also, the most common, they'll give you some money on loan and take some interest and make more money. Now, you might be thinking, but I don't know, I was involved in a scam. The truth is, being a money mule can get you in a lot of trouble. If you knowingly or unknowingly help criminals move stolen money, you could face serious legal consequences like criminal charges or a big fine. You may even be blacklisted by the banks, which can make it harder for you to access your financial services in the future. Like what? They may freeze your bank account, you'll not be able to withdraw money and whatnot. So how can you avoid falling into this trap and protect yourself? Here are some simple tips that are very important. Do hear them and follow them. First up, be cautious with offers that seem too good to be true. If someone is offering you a job, prize, or money-making opportunity that sounds too good to be true, it probably is. Always trust your instincts. पैसे के चक्कर में मत जाइए, मत फंसिए, जांच करिएगा पूरी तरह. Don't share your bank details. Never share your bank account number, your PIN, or any other sensitive financial information with anyone you don't trust completely. Remember, banks will never ask for this over email or phone. You have to be mindful. Verify the source. If you receive an unexpected email or message asking you to send money or transfer funds, verify the legitimacy of the request. Call the company or the person directly using official contact details, not the ones they provide in the message. That link that you click might land you in trouble. Remember that. Report suspicious activity. If you think you've been targeted by a scam or if someone is asking you to transfer money, don't hesitate to report it to your bank or to the authorities. In India, you can contact a cyber crime helpline at the number 1930. जी हाँ, साइबर क्राइम जो भी आपके साथ हो रहा है, फ्रॉड हुआ है, आप 1930 डायल करें और वहाँ आप अपने जो क्राइम हुआ है उसको बता सकते हैं. None get easier than this. Also, protect your online accounts. Use strong password for your online accounts and enable two-factor authentication whenever and wherever possible. This adds an extra layer of protection against the scammers. By following these simple steps, you can protect yourself from falling victim to money mule scams and keep your bank account and your personal information, your money, safe. Remember, scammers are always coming up with some new tricks. Stay alert and be careful when handling money online. Stay safe and stay smart. If you think you've been a victim of a scam, I'm repeating, contact your bank immediately and report it to the cybercrime helpline. That's 1930. And next, what you can do is thank me for all the details that I gave you. So that was a Money Mule explainer right here on Tech Talk, just to help you out, to keep you safe.